Hey, and welcome back. So let's take care of this issue right here. Alright, I will jump back into VS Code. The first thing I want to do is go into my input SAS file. I'm going to collapse line 3. Copy everything into my clipboard. And then I will use my mixing for desktop. So add include for desktop. And paste the input. So essentially I want everything to be the same for desktop. I'm going to collapse this line. Go back to my input and uncollapse. I want to change the input width to 300 instead of 370. And then recollapse. Go back into my mixing. I want to delete this line. Everything here. Basically, I want to keep the width of the input. So delete everything here. And then the rest. Give it a quick save. The next file will be my auth layout. I will do the same thing. Collapse this line. Copy it into my clipboard. Scroll down. Create my mixing for desktop. Paste my line in. Scroll back up. Uncollapse. For the actions, I want to change the max width to 300. Scroll down into my mixing. Delete everything and just keep my actions. Basically, I want to keep the max width of 370 for desktop. And then these lines. Give it a quick save. And then the last file will be in my login. Once again, collapse, copy, add my mixing, paste, scroll back up, uncollapse. I want to change my button width to 300. Scroll down, delete everything and just keep my button and its width. Give it a quick save. Before checking out my front end, there is one more line that I forgot, and that's in the auth layout SAS. So under height, I want an overflow X of hidden. Give it a save, and now check out my front end. Here's my desktop view. Everything is the same. Let's go into inspector mode. And then for mobile view, everything looks good. Alright, there's one more thing that I want to do. So let's go back to VS Code. I want to apply the password icon for my profile form. So first I will navigate to my login SAS file. I want to copy the icons. So these two lines. Go into my profile component. Paste in the icons. Go back into login. Copy the logic. Back into profile. I want to paste it here. I'm going to take this line and put it up here. Fix my spacing. Next, go back to login one more time. I want to copy these two lines. Back into profile. For my password input, remove type. Paste in my clipboard. Also the same for confirm password. Remove type. Paste in my clipboard. Give it a save. Next, I will add in the handle click function. Copy the line. And add it in down here. And then I want to scroll up. And import my use state. Give it a quick save. Navigate to my front end. Now in the form, we have the password icon feature. Alright, and that will wrap up our front end. And in our next lesson, we will start tackling our server. See you then.